name is Rakshitha. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am going to explain about poultry farming. Poultry farming is the practice of raising domesticated birds for their meat and eggs and feathers such as chicken, ducks, turkey and geese for the purpose of getting meat and eggs. The egg-laying chickens are called layers. The chickens laid for obtaining meat is called boilers. Developing draft boilers parent for commercial chicken production. The feed of poultry birds contain maize, soya, rice bran, cereals and groundnut cake, etc. Water are kept at regular intervals for easy access for all birds. Neat and clean water must be provided. Mainly birds are raised for obtaining meat and eggs. Poultry farming is a profitable business with low expenditure. Under poultry farming, birds are taken proper care for obtaining more profit. Poultry farming is a high demanded business. In poultry farming, birds need protection against snakes, dogs, cattle, etc. In poultry farming, two types of chickens are reared, layers and boilers. Need proper cleaning, sanitation, spraying and disinfection and proper vaccination. Poultry farming suffers nutritional diseases, virus, bacteria, fungi, practices and nutritional deficiency. High care, proper feeding and stabilized temperature required for newly hatched chicks. Thank you.